Well, hello again, and thank you for asking me to come see you.
I am glad you came over, you blood-sucking vampire realtor. Welcome to our underwater cookie cutter home.
So, are you ready to listen to my canned presentation, and allow me to list your underwater cookie cutter, soon to be our EO home? If you don't allow me to negotiate away any deficiency judgment, that will be against you if you do not. Short sale?
No, I asked you back to my underwater cookie cutter home, you blood-sucking vampire, so that I could tell you about our loan modification and how we are just fine.
You mean to tell me that you were actually approved for a loan modification?
Yes, you blood-sucking vampire realtor, I told you all along that we were in the middle of a loan modification, and we were just fine.
I find this very hard to believe. I am a licensed, trained professional with several designations listed on my card, and it is my professional understanding, according to all the statistics, that 97% of all loan modification applications are not approved.
Well, you blood-sucking vampire realtor, I want you to know that my highly intelligent, egotistical, overly proud husband, the day before our underwater cookie cutter home was to be sold at auction on the courthouse steps to some blood-sucking vampire investor who is waiting to take advantage of our very bad choice of purchasing a home that we could not afford in the first place with a no money down and 1% negative amortization loan that allowed us to pay only $650.49 per month on this now upside-down house that we purchased at the top of the market and then borrowed the $650,000 to purchase the useless items that we now have in order to keep up with the Smiths, called Cleona. She is not a blood-sucking vampire realtor whose only concern is the office bottom line, and she does not drive a BMW to impress people, and she was able to get the auction sale set aside and was able to help us get approved for our modification.
I must tell you that I would not believe what you were telling me except for the fact that I am standing here in your underwater cookie cutter home alongside you, and you have not been tossed out on your ears by a blood-sucking vampire or EO agent. So I must know what caused this to happen?
Well, you blood-sucking vampire, my highly intelligent husband, who by the way has now proven that he is highly intelligent, followed the workbook.
Followed the workbook?
Yes, you blood-sucking vampire, he followed the workbook on how to successfully modify your own home loan. This woman wrote the book, and when my highly intelligent husband found out about her, he contacted her and she walked us through the process. She showed us just where we went wrong and helped us to admit it and make positive changes. Now we have received our loan modification and we are just fine.
I am stunned.
Yes, you would be, you blood-sucking vampire realtor. You and so many others just like you. But it is true, we have received a loan modification and we are just fine.
If you don't mind me asking, can you tell me the terms of your loan modification?
No, I don't mind at all, you blood-sucking vampire realtor. Our loan balance had gotten to $707,000 because we had not paid our payments in over 2 years. Our interest rate was at 7.5% and our payment had gotten $4,800 a month, and that did not include the property taxes and insurance. After our loan modification that has made us just fine, we now have a payment of $1,614.08 a month for the next 5 years, and that includes the property taxes and the homeowner's insurance. Now we can keep our Lexus that we could not afford before, and we can keep up with the Smiths after all.
My mind is boggled. How can that be?
Of course your mind is boggled, you blood-sucking vampire, you. It is really simple. You see, the bank just took away over $277,000 and set that aside for the life of the loan. Then they took the remaining $430,000 and they amortized it at 2% interest over 40 years, payable in 25 years, which then leaves us with a balloon payment of just over $523,000 that will be due on our maturity date in 25 years.
I must say, that just does not seem realistic.
To a blood-sucking vampire realtor as yourself it would not seem realistic, but we have our loan modification and now we are just fine.
So you were telling me that your loan is now a fixed loan and your interest is only 2%?
Yes, you blood-sucking vampire. Our loan is fixed at 2% for the next 5 years, and then, In the 6th year the interest will go up to 3% for the next 12 months, and then after that year it will go up another percent to 4% for the next 12 months, and then, in the 8th year, our interest rate will lock at 4.75%, and that will be for the life of the loan. Our highest payment will never go over $2,300 per month unless our taxes and insurance go up or down. Then it might change, but for sure, we will never pay even half of what we were paying before we got our loan modification, and that has made everything just fine.
I believe that my mind may have just blown out of the back of my head. I am in shock, and, that your payment is less than what you would pay to rent a 3-bedroom home here almost anywhere in California.
Well, you blood-sucking vampire realtor, it is true. We have a loan modification and we are just fine.
This is not a good thing for me. Not only will I not be presenting my canned listing presentation that I have practiced for years just for this opportunity, but I will not have the opportunity to sell your underwater, cookie-cutter home, nor will I get the opportunity to take advantage of what would have been your misfortune and bring a buyer to purchase your cookie-cutter underwater home at pennies on the dollars. Please understand that it is all about the bottom line, and it has nothing to do with you and your highly intelligent, egotistical husband. It is purely about the money.
Yes, you blood-sucking vampire realtor, my husband told me all about your type. We are just so happy to be able to throw this in your face and show you that your blood-sucking tactics will not work, since we have gotten our loan modification and we are just fine.
This makes me very depressed. I may have to lie down for a few minutes so I can get my composure.
I do not think my husband would be very happy with me if I allowed a blood-sucking vampire realtor to lie down and become composed in our home, since the whole purpose of inviting you here was to really mess up your day.
On that note, it might be best that I leave now. I am just so sad that I will not even be able to make money off of you by renting you one of our auction-bought rental properties that our investors have available. I seem to be striking out on every side.
Well, you blood-sucking vampire, if it will make you feel any better, even though that is not what my highly intelligent husband planned for this meeting with you today, there is a possibility that we might offer you $10 a year to find us 3 renters to rent out the 3 extra bedrooms we have here in our massive underwater cookie-cutter home for a price of $500 per room. Then we will only have to pay $114.08 a month, and the utilities. Something we learned in the workbook.
I really could use the money. I will start looking for tenants for you right away. I appreciate the business. Please remember to refer me to any of your family or friends, and neighbors.
No problem, you blood-sucking vampire realtor. Please hurry, because our first payment on our loan modification is due the 1st of next month, and we don't want to use our own money to pay it, since we have been used to not paying anything for over 2 years. Why would we want to break a good record now? We didn't learn this in the workbook. We have been doing this for years.
I will get right to it. Being that I am a trained professional, I will have production for you by the end of the week. I will see you then, and I will bring your new renters with me.
Thank you, blood-sucking vampire. It will be good doing business with you.
You are welcome. And by the way, could I get that woman's number? I have a sale date on my house coming up next week, and I have been trying to get a loan modification on my own and have gotten nowhere. I need that workbook.